Picture this, a city where tradition meets innovation in the most breathtaking way. Welcome to Dubai. As the sun dips below the horizon, Dubai's skyline comes alive in golden hues. The iconic Burj Khalifa pierces the sky, a testament to human ambition and ingenuity. Floating above, a sleek black blimp labeled Arab Dreams Management Consultants soars gracefully, while the UAE national flag waves proudly beneath it. Look closely and you'll see two stunning portraits of Emirati leaders, their traditional attire reminding us of the rich heritage that underpins this modern marvel. Below, multi-lane highways and elevated roads weave through lush greenery and glittering skyscrapers, bustling with energy and innovation. Dubai isn't just a city, it's an experience. A place where every sunset heralds a new dawn, and every glance reveals a world where the future and tradition walk hand in hand. So whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or an adventurer, Dubai's golden hour is your invitation to a world where anything is possible.